This is a video of the Grand. We are staying here tonight because we are seeing Imagine Dragons in Kansas City. And it was a really nice, convenient place to book for the T-Mobile Center. And we are on the 12th floor. And we have these keys that have the key fob that has gotten us into the elevator and into our room. So this is the entryway. There's a place to hang coats, a closet, some chairs here. This room has this space has a nice, clean, crisp, white look to it. Everything looks very clean and for the most part comfortable. You walk into a bathroom to start here. Shower curtain. I say that because there's another shower that's glass doors. Okay. There's some complimentary soaps. I'm having trouble talking today. This is the kitchen. There's a toaster, a Keurig, a couple Keurig supplies, nice standard size refrigerator and sink. I think this is kind of like an electrical closet. This is an extra. We have 4 people with us. One's gonna be on the couch. Some nice storage in the kitchen if you were gonna stay here long term. View of Kansas City. We're downtown in the thick of it. This is the master bedroom. This room kind of has the best view of T-Mobile Center right there. This is literally how close we are. This room was about $240 a night and shared among 4 people. It's not so bad. And we booked it through frontdesk.com, I believe. There is a walk-in closet and a bathroom, shower glass door, excuse me. All very clean and comfortable and nice for us to arrive about 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock right now, and gonna see the show in 2 hours and leave in the morning because we're about 3 hours away in St. Louis, and this was a nice place to come back and see Imagine Dragons. Okay, so we have one more room right here. This is the second room. It's a nice, very large closet here. The other one was a walk-in. This one has got a lot of space too. I think these are monthly, possibly month-to-month apartments. I can't tell. I know you could tell there was some people that were living here for extensive periods of time, and then some floors that were rent by the day. Here's the second bed room.